Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by pulling up the Nico phone immediately. Press up on the D-pad or enter on keyboard to open it. Once open, move to Contacts and highlight the Emergency or 911 entry. This is required to trigger the call function in-game. Press the Confirm button on Xbox, X on PlayStation, enter on PC, and listen for the call animation. This initiates the sequence and notifies dispatch in the game. Keep holding if required until the voice or cutscene begins. Once the call connects, you need to watch for the NPC response and any mission text or audio. Stay nearby and avoid switching characters or loading screens because changing state can cancel the call. If a mission or task is triggered, accept it promptly by pressing the required button. This links the in-game emergency to a mission flow. Make sure to follow what dispatch says, since their instructions determine whether police, ambulance, or no response will appear in that area. Finish the event by completing the objectives given during the call. Once done, the dispatch sequence ends and responders will leave or conclude the mission. If the call fails to connect, freezes, or no responders arrive, reload the last checkpoint or quick save and retry the same steps. This often clears transient glitches. If problems persist, make sure game files are verified or settings reverted. Reinstalling the patch or reverting mods can fix persistent calls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.